Alright, so right here we have our Heretic light bar. Just came back from factory. I had to ship it back out there because I had a electrical issue with it, and they really stand behind their products, so they fixed it for free and shipped it back to me, no charge. I only had to pay to get it to them. And about to open it up and see what kind of work it did. Some great packaging. It's got a little damage in shipping, but it looks awesome. Get rid of that. So there you go. All fixed up. It has a new lead on it, and yeah, I'll give you a close up real quick of the connection. Right here we have our newly repaired electrical connection.
This is what the connection used to look like. Both connections are eroded and melted and a little burnt.
It's a little dusty, but if you look closely, you can see where they resealed it. Really did a good job of it. Looks rock solid, new leads and everything on it on this connection, so that is awesome. And this looks like it's ready to go, so we just gotta put it on the truck and we'll be golden. All right, so we got the light bar on the truck. Got all the tools out. On the Prinsu Rack, you need a T30 star bolt to get out these nuts. And then let's figure out what we got going on for the light bar. The light bar, we need a 5/32 hex. Just gonna do this and wind these on out. So now we got all the screws out. Just gonna mount it up. Perfect. Not quite wanting to go, so let's give them a little help. Perfect. There we go. So just loosely putting them on for fitment. We'll get the other side going. There we go. That one's going. Let's get the other side. Light bar in place. Position it by hand. There we go. That one's in, and let's put the last one on there. Alright, and that's started. So we'll just tighten them up. Just put them hand tight. You want to strip it all out so it'll snug fit on the machine screws. Come back around here and gently get them hand tight on the hex. Great. Come back around and get our aluminum extrusion for the Prinsu Rack. Going on. Just getting these hand threaded in. You're going to get the other side and we'll put them up. So now I got them started. I'll just gently drill them in. These are easy to strip out, so you just want to do it really easily. back, and I'm just seating these. I'm not actually fully tightening them. Bit out of the chuck of the drill. We're just gonna finish it hand tightening it. There you go. Put this side. There you go. That's tightened up. You gotta get the connection reseated and we'll be replugged and we'll be ready to go. The tip is to use a towel so you don't scratch up your paint doing it yourself. Get this plugged back in. Awesome. So now we're just zip tying all this wiring up and getting it nice and secure in. So just zip tying this bad boy down and trying to make sure there's not a lot of tension that's put on the connection. So giving it a little bit of slack to move around and then just zip tying it underneath of the bars. So also make sure you get the nub of your zip tie underneath so that it's out of the way of anything you might put on your roof. Roll it tight and take your snips, flip it off, and you're ready to go. Put another on over here. You don't need as many along the line of it, but just because of the way the wiring is over here, I'm going to put a couple zip ties on. Just make sure they're super secure. Alright. One more on the other side. A little bit of excess wire over here. I'll pull that all out. We're gonna give a little bundle over here so it stays safe and secure. Last step right here is we're just gonna secure this little loop that I have onto thing to keep it nice in one spot. Flip it. So that we're done. Alright, so now the light bar is secure, solid, roof rack's all back and put together, ready to rip. So we're done. Thank you for watching, and that's it.